Good morning, children. Welcome to another session of e-learning program. I think you have completed your homework of poster making. Stay home, stay safe. Watch the today's video carefully and do the given homework.
I Will Do It speaks about Nagarva Ramarao Narayan Murthy, known as Infosys Narayan Murthy, the founder of the leading IT company in the world, Infosys. His life history is the best example for commitment and hard work. Let us first see what was Narayan Murthy's family background. He was from a poor but educated family. His father was a high school teacher and was fond of reading English literature. His father was a single earning member of the family. He had the responsibility of educating 3 sons and marrying off 5 daughters. During school days, he was short but the brightest boy in the class. He used to solve his seniors' doubts in science. He could grasp theories of science faster than the speed of light. He was an introvert. He adopted the principle of not to hurt others in any manner. As other students, he wanted to join engineering. To other aspirants, he was the guide and used to clarify their doubts. He dreamt of IIT and applied for the entrance test. He wrote the exam and passed with a high rank. When he shared his success with his father was really happy, but due to their financial position, he suggested his son to study as much as he wanted, but not IIT. Though he was disappointed, he had to understand the reality. He never shared his unhappiness or helplessness with others. One day, in June 1962, all his friends were leaving for Madras, now Chennai, to pursue IIT. Murthy assisted them till the station to send them off. All his friends were excited, but he alone was disappointed. He did not reply when one of his friends asked he should have made it to IIT. He stood at the station even after the train had left. After a massive introspection, he felt pursuing IIT is not the institution. We are the only one who can change our life by hard work. This philosophy matches with Bhagavad Gita that says, your best friend is yourself and your worst enemy is yourself. His economical status could not stop him from working hard. He was graduated from National Institute of Engineering and received master's degree from Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. He started his career as a chief system programmer at IIM, Ahmedabad. He co-founded Infosys in 1981. He built a team of people with versatile genius. He was independent of caste, community or political connections in his career. He always sticks to his ethics. He is a legendary person who sowed the seeds of IT sector in India. Behind his success lies his simplicity, uncompromising quality and fairness.
Children, you have watched the video. Now we are going to answer the questions for the passages. I am going to give you 3 passages. For that, you are going to answer the questions related to the passages. Here is the first passage. First, the picture is of Narayana Murthy. The lesson I will do it. This is the first passage. You have to read and you have to answer the following questions. The questions are: who does he refers to? Why? Second question: why could he have gone unnoticed in a crowd? Third one: why was there a spark in his eyes when there was a question related to physics or maths? Fourth question: what does spark mean here? These four questions are related to passage 1. Here is the second passage. So down. Question. First question: what was his father? He was an avid teacher of English literature. What does avid mean? Where did the brighter students want to study? In your notebook, you have to write the question and write the answer. Here is the third one. Third passage. First question: how did the student study for the entrance test? What does aspirant mean? Third, who helped the IIT aspirants in studies? Fourth question: how did he help his classmates? Fifth one: how old was Murthy when he took IIT entrance test? So I gave you three passages. Related to passages, the questions are there. You have to read the passage carefully and answer the questions in your rough notebook. In your notebook, you have to write passage 1, question, answer. Next passage 2, question, answers. No need of copying the passages, okay? Only question, answer, enough. So here, 3 passages you have completed. Note: write all the answers of passages. How you have to write it? Neatly in your notebook. How many passages I gave you? 3 passages. I'll be sharing PDF of these passages so that it will be helpful for you to copy down the questions easily and read the passage through WhatsApp. Till then, stay home, stay healthy.